Alright, y'all. Guess what I bought from Dollar General tonight? I just got back from Dollar General. Where I bought LED condenser mic. I'm gonna show it to y'all. It has different things. It's from Vibe, so I'm not expecting that great of a quality from it. So the microphone, controlling the LEDs, which I don't care about, safety, blah blah. This is literally what it is. Yeah. I'm assuming we just plug in. Now, this is for the for this. It's looks like a decent mic. Do this. Plug this into. Oh wow. We can't. Let's test it out. Actually, since I have my issue, but oh my god! Of course I forgot if you other. No, it's over here. Is it? Yes, I have it in here. Okay. LEDs work. Green. I wonder if I could turn off the LED. Blue. Purple. Red. Whatever. Can I not? I could turn it off. Good. Let's see about setting up the thing. I'm going to read the instructions in case you want to get one of these. Locate the 35 or 3.5 millimeter socket on your desktop, laptop. Connect the USB-A end to the attached cable to your desktop or laptop. Adjust microphone angle and test on your computer before beginning any recording. So, that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if I... Oh, yes, I do have a thing. So, yeah. I'm assuming, like, here is where you do whatever. Bruh. Like, wow. I'm only wanting this to work for recording sometime. Because I need a mic for this. I am getting an essential, because the tracker pad on this sucks, on the Chromebook sucks, or any laptop really, so, you know, but here's the thing, the 3.5 thing is on the other side, so yeah, I'm going to set this up real quick. Since I have my laptop up, you know, this is a real quick thing. Is this not going to come off? Oh, jeez. Having trouble with the cable thing. Or the zip tie thing. Oh my god, why is zip ties such a pain in the butt? Literally, they are a pain in the butt. I'm trying... Oh, god. 5 years later... Oh, I got my knife with me. Darn. If I have my knife, maybe I'll be able to cut this thing. Okay, so yeah. I wonder if I can actually use this on my, oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can actually use this on the, on my, since it's a 3.5 mm, or 3.5 millimeter thing, I could probably, use it for the thing. Let's see how long. Okay, is it, what? Is this not? I do. Let's plug this in over here with the 35mm jack is, which is right here next to the thing. Okay, so it says it's okay. Good. I'm gonna be doing a test with the microphone. See how good it is on whatever I have for recording. Anyway, I can do without the LED, honestly, and just hold it. Oh, green? A lighter green? Huh. Where's the other, three? Where the, no, other four. 9 is selectable color options. That's 5. Anyway. So let's see how it does, and I will do a video after, see how good it actually is. Anyway, peace y'all. Okay, this is the mic test. I'm about to do it with FL Studio Mobile. I hate that. Anyway, this is a recording. Test to see how good this mic actually is. That's pretty decent, actually. I'm not lying to you here. Yeah. I say it's gonna work for recording and all that, and it'd be better to record on here. So, yeah. Test to see how good this mic actually is. That's pretty good. That is pretty darn flippity good, I must say. We all think.